Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the best budgeting hacks you probably didn't know about. These tips can help you save money and manage your finances better. Let's be real, nobody actually enjoys the word budgeting. It feels restrictive, like you're putting yourself in a financial straitjacket. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? In fact, smart budgeting is about making your money work for you so you can live a richer, more fulfilling life. And that's what I'm all about. So let's unlock these secret budgeting hacks together. One of the most effective ways to save is to make it automatic. You can set up a system where a portion of your paycheck is automatically transferred to your savings account each month. Think of it like this. You get that paycheck and boom, before you even have a chance to spend it, a good chunk of it is already working for you, growing steadily in your savings account. The best part? You don't even have to think about it. It's like magic, but for your money. Over time, those automatic transfers add up and you'll be amazed at how much you've saved without even lifting a finger. Look, I get it. Life gets busy, and it's easy to tell yourself, I'll save next month. But let's be honest, how often does next month actually come around? Automating your savings takes the guesswork out of it. If you're serious about getting your spending under control, then listen up. Cash envelopes are a game changer, especially if you're an impulsive spender. Here's how it works. At the beginning of each month, you withdraw cash for specific spending categories like groceries, entertainment, or eating out. Then, you divide that cash into separate envelopes, one for each category. Now here's the key. Once that cash is gone, it's gone. No more spending in that category until the next month. This method forces you to be more mindful of your spending habits and helps you prioritize what's truly important. Trust me, there's something about physically handing over cash that makes you think twice about those impulse purchases. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see your progress as you stick to your budget. This rule is a lifesaver, especially if you're new to budgeting or feel overwhelmed by complicated spreadsheets. It's all about simplifying your finances and giving you a clear framework to follow. Here's the breakdown. 50% of your after-tax income goes towards your needs, the essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Then, 30% goes towards your wants, things you enjoy but could technically live without, like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Finally, the remaining 20% is dedicated to your financial goals, which include savings, investments, and paying off debt. Look, you can't improve what you don't track. Tracking your expenses gives you a crystal clear picture of where your money is actually going. You might be surprised to discover how much you're spending on things like takeout coffee or subscription services you barely use. It's like holding up a mirror to your spending habits. The good news is, there are tons of apps out there that make tracking your expenses incredibly easy. You can literally do it from your phone, on the go. No more excuses. Once you have a handle on your spending patterns, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards your financial goals. Let's talk about food, because who doesn't love food? But seriously, meal planning is one of the most underrated budgeting hacks out there. Think about it. How many times have you gone to the grocery store hungry and ended up with a cart full of impulse buys you didn't need, or ordered takeout because you didn't have time to cook? Meal planning eliminates those budget-busting habits. By planning your meals in advance, you can create a shopping list and stick to it, reducing those impulse purchases and minimizing food waste. Plus, it saves you time and energy during the week because you already know what's for dinner. No more last-minute scrambling. Thanks for watching. If you found these budgeting hacks helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Remember, budgeting doesn't have to be scary or restrictive. It's all about taking control of your money so you can live the life you want. Now go out there and start budgeting like a boss. I'll see you in the next video.